Hi! In front of me is MOTOROLA RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. After that, tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness feature. As you can see, my switcher is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!